So I discussed class A chopper, and class B choppers. This is also called first coordinate chopper, where voltage and current are positive. And in class B chopper, nothing but a second coordinate chopper, and in this voltage is positive, current is negative. So I discussed these two cases, and in this class C chopper are two coordinate chopper. So class C chopper, this is voltage and current. Here current is negative and here voltage is positive. Here current is positive, here voltage is negative. This is first coordinate chopper. This is a second coordinate chopper. But a combination of these two is called class C chopper. Combination of these two is called class C chopper. And this is also called two coordinates. So this is Q1 and this is coordinate 1 and this is second coordinate. So class C chopper is nothing but a combination of Q1 and Q2. So nothing but class A chopper circuit and class B chopper circuit are collectively together is called class C chopper. And Q1, this is nothing but coordinate 4, and Q1 coordinate 1 and coordinate 4 is called class D chopper. Class C chopper having coordinate 1 and coordinate 2. Class D having coordinate 1 and coordinate 4. So this is class A, class B, class C, class D. If you take next class E is nothing but all the coordinates Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 all together. Circuit will perform an action which will represent the all coordinates is called class C chopper or 4 coordinate chopper. So this class C chopper is called as a 2 coordinate chopper. It's because the two coordinates are together, we perform the operation. So look at that. This is a 2 coordinate chopper circuit diagram, and this is Q1. You can see this Q1, and this is Q2. So let me take a pen. As this is Q1, and this is Q2. Coordinate 1 and this is coordinate 2. So in this coordinate, voltage positive and current is positive. In this coordinate, voltage is positive and current is negative. So how this circuit we provide positive voltage and positive current, and positive voltage and negative current. How this performs, and I will explain the operation. So this is the waveforms. With respect to waveforms, I will explain. First of all, I will explain the class A chopper. Nothing but the first coordinate. After that one, I will explain second coordinate Q2. In Q2, nothing but if chopper is closed, CH1 is closed. So what will happen? Supply flows in this direction. Here is open so that it will not flow, because here also no path, because diode is reverse biased. And here also diode freewheeling. This diode also, the current will not flow in this path because the diode is reverse biased. Only the path is through the inductor and to the back DC supply. And this is the closed path. This is the closed path. Once again, when chopper is closed, this is the path to flow the current in this direction. This is the current path direction. So in this direction, current entering through the inductor is positive and negative, and the supply is here positive and negative, so that here also supply is positive and negative. So with respect to this one, we should look at positive and negative. And this is the voltage positive and current also in this direction. So that is one direction. Current is in this direction. So that I am treating as the direction of the current is positive. So that is first coordinate. Now, if the nothing but if the charger is closer to inductor will store energy in the magnetic field and it will pick up energy exponentially. Exponentially it will increases. So voltage across the inductor is equal to voltage across the initial voltage 1 minus e power minus t by tau. This is the waveform of the exponential increasing order equation of the inductor. So look at this one. When chopper is on, waveform, so look at the waveform. When chopper is on, inductor stores energy like this. So this is IZ1, nothing but chopper. IZ1 nothing but what we by IZ1? IZ1 is nothing but in place of chopper, thyristor is used. Thyristor is used. So that thyristor having in this symbol, this is gate. So gate current. If gate current is given, thyristor will turn on. And if you want to turn on the SCCR, we should use commutation techniques. Class A commutation, Class B commutation, Class C, Class D. Any commutation technique we should use. So those commutation technique must be belongs to forced commutation. Forced commutation techniques. Those commutation techniques must be under forced commutation. So here, inductor will store energy when chopper is on. When the chopper is off, when the chopper is off, what will happen? So this is the diode D2. Sorry. This is D1, diode D1, and this is diode D2. So here D1, diode D1. So what will happen? This is the, while charging the current, inductor terminals will be positive and negative. And this is the path of flowing the current in this direction. Now, the chopper is closed, chopper is opened. The chopper is open. What will happen? When the chopper is opened, the inductor changes its polarity, negative and positive, negative and positive. I'm sorry. So negative and positive, and it will releases its energy in this direction. So look at this one. This is voltage is not available, but the current flow is in this direction only, similar to the previous one. Similar to the previous one, current is in this direction only. It releases its energy through freewheeling diode in this path only. That's why current is, voltage is positive and current is positive with respect to chopper 1. Chopper 1 operation, nothing but when the chopper is on and when the chopper is off, how both are changing. Now let us look at the chopper 2. Let us look at the chopper 2. So look at this one. When the chopper 2 is on, when the chopper 2 is on, nothing but when this is closed, and this is closed, but only the path is so let me take different one. When the chopper is so look at this one. When the gate pulse is given to the thyristor 2, gate pulse is given to the thyristor 2. When the chopper 2 is on, Nothing but this is the way. In the chopper is 2 is on. So the battery, this is the battery which will releases energy in this direction. Which will releases energy in this direction. This is the path. This is the path. Nothing but this flow of current through the inductor. Inductor will stores energy in this direction, and the flow of current will be opposite to the previous one, previous chopper. When the chopper 1 is on, current flow is in this direction. Even the chopper 1 is off, current flow will be in this direction only. So that the current always positive with respect to the chopper 1. Now when the chopper is in the chopper 2 is on, this is on, this battery will release this energy in this direction only, in this direction. So we have another paths. Here diode is reverse biased so that the current will not allow. But here diode D2 will be forward biased. But this battery voltage is less than the supply voltage. That's why current cannot flow in this direction. Only the path is, this is the path. This is the path. So this is the path to flow the current in the chopper 2 is on. And inductor stores energy, stored energy if the chopper 2 is closed. Now when the chopper 2 is off, this is C2, nothing but inductor stores in the reverse direction. This is the reverse direction. Inductor will store energy in the reverse direction. Now inductor, while storing energy, the terminals will be positive and negative like this. While releasing energy of the inductor, the terminals will be changed to negative and positive. Negative and positive. So look at this one. These two are connected in series in this way. Positive and negative. Positive and negative. So that the cumulative capacity and the cumulative voltage of this inductor and supply voltage is greater than the EL plus E is greater than the supply voltage. So this is what we should remember. And look at this one now. So while if the chopper 2 is off, chopper 1 is off, so that the current cannot flow in this direction, and also this is reverse biased, current cannot flow in this direction. Only the path is, this is negative and positive, only the path is this is. And cumulative voltage of the inductor and battery is more than the supply voltage Vs. That's why energy will be transferred to the in the form of current to the back to the supply. That's why current is reversed. Current is reversed, but the voltage is positive. That's why this operation comes under the second coordinate. And finally, I conclude with this. So this circuit is performs first coordinate and second coordinate operations. That's why this chopper is called class C chopper or 2 coordinate chopper. Class C chopper will perform its operation in the first coordinate and also in the second coordinate. So the next one is class D chopper or 2 coordinate chopper. And class D chopper or 2 coordinate type B chopper. So this is also comes under the type B chopper, but which is similar to the type B chopper, but the coordinates will be different. We'll show the diagram. Type D chopper or another type of class B chopper. So class B chopper having first coordinate and second coordinate. class D chopper is having in first coordinate and third coordinate. Already I discussed. So if you look at the operation, so this chop in class B chopper, in class B chopper, when chopper 1 is turned on separately and chopper 2 is turned on and turned off separately. So the difference between chopper first core class B, class C and class D chopper is, in the class C chopper, both chopper 1 is turned on separately and turned off separately, and which is independent on class B chopper. Another thyristor, nothing but chopper 2. So when the chopper 2 is on, and we should keep chopper 1 is off in the class B chopper, class C chopper. But in this class D chopper, both thyristor 1 or chopper 1, chopper 2, both turn on at a time, both turn off at a time. This is the condition. So look at the operation. So these are the waveforms. When thyristor CH1 and CH2, nothing but chopper 1 and chopper 2 turn on. The chopper 1 and chopper 2 is turned on. So what will be the operation? So look at this one. When the chopper 1 is turned on, supply passes through this one and through the load, and the chopper 2 to the back to the supply. Because only this is reverse biased, even though this is forward biased, this will be short circuited, so that current cannot flow in this direction. And this is forward biased, but here from the supply this is positive and negative, so that this will be reverse biased. This is also reverse biased. That's why current passes and supply will be in this path only. Nothing but voltage across the load is positive and negative, which is positive is connected to the supply. That's why positive. So that this is first coordinate. So voltage is positive. Voltage is positive, and current through the load is in this direction only, which is similar to the supply direction. That's why current is also positive. So that this will be in first coordinate. If both thyristor chopper 1, chopper 2 is turned on, and so look at this one. If it is load, positive, negative. This is positive, negative. So if this is supply positive and load positive, and the current direction from the load is in this direction, and current through the load also in the same direction. That's why both voltage and current are positive in this case, which is similar to this is also same case. In this path, current will flow, and voltage is positive and current also positive. Now, if chopper 1, 2 both will be turned off. If chopper, this will be turned off, this will be turned off by using commutation techniques, forcible commutation techniques, any one of the forcible commutation technique. If you turn off chopper 1 and chopper 2, what will happen? So practically this is a RL load. So this is RL load. This is not a load. This load is nothing but a resistive inductive combination load. So while storing, while absorbing energy or while storing energy, the polarities of the inductor will be positive and negative. Positive and negative. While releasing energy. So while releasing energy, how the terminals will be? This becomes negative, and this becomes positive. So in this case, sorry, this is negative, and this chopper is turned off. This chopper also turned off, so that there is no current flow in this path. So that supply cannot flow in this path, and also this is reverse bias. So that in this path, current supply is not available in this path. But this is negative, this is positive. Positive with respect to this is anode. Anode is nothing but positive. This is negative with respect to cathode. Cathode is nothing but negative. So the D1 is forward biased. D1 comma D2 both will be forward biased. If both will be forward biased, then what will happen? The path of the current flow will be in this direction. So this is positive and this is negative. So that the path to the flow of current is in this direction. Because diode D1 is forward biased, D2 is D1 and D2 both will be forward biased. So that inductor will releases its energy back to the supply. Back to the supply is nothing but in this direction. So this is the actual this direction is the supply direction, but current direction is reversed. Current direction is reversed. That's why this is back to the supply. And also another important point is this is a negative and a positive. Sorry. So this is becomes negative, this is becomes positive. Current flows in this direction. Current flows in this direction, which is same as in the previous direction. Nothing but look at this one. When the chopper 1 and 2 is on, this is positive and negative. Current direction will be in this direction only. When thyristor 1, 2 both will be off, current direction will be in this direction. So current also same as the positive direction. So we should look at only current entering through the load, not from to the supply. Current which is back to the supply, even the back to the supply, but we should recognize that is through the load, whether it is the same direction of the previous direction or different from the previous direction. So current is same, but terminals will be reversed. This becomes negative and positive. Negative and positive. So that current is positive, but voltage is negative. Voltage is negative. That's why this operation of the chopper is in fourth coordinate. That is nothing but Q4. So why it is negative? Because why voltage is negative? Because this is negative, this is positive. So positive with respect to this positive, but here negative, nothing but a cathode with respect to positive voltage. That's why the voltage will be a reverse direction. Voltage will be reversed, but current flows to the load will be positive. Current will be positive and voltage will be negative. That's why this operation of the chopper is in fourth coordinate. So that this circuit perform the operation in first coordinate and the fourth coordinate. This is nothing. These are the class C and class D choppers or two coordinate choppers.